Did you know that they sell budget-friendly tool sets on Amazon? This one right here is a 148-piece tool set. I really like this because it's got all the wrenches in it and a hammer. It's got a hacksaw, razor blade. It's got something to check for your voltage, see if you got voltage, some anchors and screws, got some small screwdrivers. This one right here is a 166-piece tool set. And you'll see that it's got a lot of screwdrivers, it's got a nut driver, it's got some sockets here, razor blades, some screws, screwdrivers, a wrench. It comes with a drill and a tape measure. The other one has a tape measure as well. It's got some wall anchors, some different types of screws, some picture hanging things in there. This one has got a lot of sockets with it. I think you might need some sockets. It's got a lot of screwdriver head attachments. It's got some spade bits. It's got regular bits. And then you have some sockets here, some small screwdrivers, some picks, some other screwdrivers, a ratchet, a drill, 2 batteries. You have hole saws. If you got to drill a hole in some wood, it has some hole saws right there, and that attachment right there goes with the hole saws. I bought my daughter a tool set when she went to college a long time ago, and she still has that tool set. So if you know someone who recently divorced, widowed, someone going to college, someone that doesn't need one of these all the time, and you're thinking of a gift to give them, consider one of these, because these are very budget friendly sets right here. If I bought each one of these tools and their accessories individually, I'm gonna spend way more than what it would be just to buy this set right here. These are actually from SUNDPEY. If you go to put together a toy or whatever, you're gonna need stuff like this. If you want to hang a picture, you're gonna need stuff like this. Check out these in the video description. Clicking on that link will support my channel, and I'd appreciate that.